Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a 10-seater dining set for you. And this 10-seater set is along with the sofa set that you see at the back, the design, colors and the fabrics all matching to the entire set. When we talk about Aarsun furniture, there are a few things that are highlighted and we talk about that because these are things that you don't get that easily. First thing, all our furniture is made in teak wood. Second, the color choice, fabric choice, size, design, everything is as per your choice. We don't make anything extra. Now, if you see in this set, we have got 10 chairs. And in 10 chairs, we have got one single chair with the handle. This one is the handle chair, that is king chair. Generally, we have two chairs if we go for this king and queen chair or master chairs as we call it. But the client needed one. So we have created one. Rest all chairs are without handle. Back height is 52 inches and 2 feet left to right and 2 feet front to back. A wide chair that gives comfortable sitting and for dining purposes. The most important part about a dining chair is they should not be quite leaning or inclining because that gives you generally a tendency to lean back. And when we are having food, we have to sit straight because it keeps the stomach straight and less pressure on the digestion system, and we can easily have our food. Now you can see I'm sitting at a good height. The handles are right here. The master chair doesn't go all the way inside. The normal chairs do. So it'll have to stay here and I can sit easily and have my food. The design part I'll explain. First, I'll explain the concept of the chairs. So chairs are of two types, with handle and without handle, like you are looking at here. And then front carving and double carving. Just like in this one, if you see, the back also has the same design as the front part. And double carving is a beautiful concept in dining sets because when you move around and you see, dinings are mostly kept in a place where you can see from all the sides. I need movement from all the sides because whoever the server is has to go on all the sides. The person who is using also has to come here to sit on this chair. So the look is always one thing that we are working on, and the double carving gives it amazing look. Looking at the chair, I've shown the chair. I'll show you the design of the table also, and then we'll discuss about the finer points that are discussed when we talk about dining tables. Let me remove the chairs. All right, 4 chairs this side, 4 chairs that side, 2 on each end. And now the work you can see at the bottom, very heavy pillar design, and this is solid wood. This is not hollow, this is solid teak wood, and the entire design is hand carved. This is the kind of carving that we do, the amazing carving by people, by artisans who make such beautiful grand structures. And finally the output involves the fitting, the painting, the cushion work, the fabric choice, everything. I'll come to those points also. But majorly when we talk about dining, there are two concepts. Either we have 4 legs or we have pillar design. So if we are making this size, this is 10 feet by 4 feet, then we require 2 or 3 pillars depending on the width. So if we have heavy pillars, we'll keep 2 pillars in the middle. If we are keeping a leaner pillar, then we require 3 for the size of this one. So rectangular design will have either 4 legs like this one, or we can go for pillars. Then in the dining tables, we have round tables, we have got oval designs. Square table generally works for smaller sizes like 4-seater. Then we have oval and this kind of rectangular or some change in design, cut design, something like that. But overall, rectangular tables are preferred when we have longer version. Like this one, a 10-seater. Dining table can be 4-seater, 6-seater, generally even numbers. And we have made up to 16-seater dining sets as well. They are in the videos on YouTube, you can see there. Now coming on the top part. The top has got several options. Here you can see carved top. On this one, we'll require a glass. Once the glass is placed, it's ready for you. If you don't like carving on the top, we can provide you plain top. We can provide you open top. If you want to place, if you want to see the inner design very clearly while sitting on the dining, we prefer the open top one, and you can place a glass in the middle and entire area underneath is quite visible. If you want to place marble or granite or onyx, then this carving will not be visible. So we can provide you side strips, but in the middle we can keep it open, or we can provide you plain. You can place a glass marble or onyx or granite, whatever you want on top of it, and it's ready. Glass, marbles, granites, mirrors, all these are fragile items. Generally, we don't provide that unless it's a container load going outside India. This entire set along with the dining table and the sofa set is going to Dubai. And the combination you can see, same combination for the sofa and the dining as well. When we are choosing a dining, broadly what we have to think about three things. First, the number of chairs. That depends on the size. Space we have, accordingly we decide 6-seater, 8-seater, 10-seater, 12-seater, whatever the size you require. Second is about the chair design. Just like you see in this one, we have got master chair as a single unit. If you want two, if you want a wider, we can place 2 chairs here. That we have already done in a video earlier. I can show you that also. Then double carving or single carving for the chairs, as you can see here. Then comes the color combination. What color you have in your mind or your theme of the home, because colors are too many. If you're going for teak wood, natural finish, then mahogany, walnut, cherry, and if you go in deco paints, there are too many options. Too many means too many. White, off-white, gold, silver, champagne, and rose gold. That's copper also. And then we have triple shade, dual shade, and so many other colors. Like then we have gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing. All these things we have done already. The art of local people of India is decorating the global homes. Big interior designers, architects, they are coming to us, getting their designs done, and they are delivering, they are going across the globe. We have already delivered to 55 countries and entire India. So wherever you are, that's not an issue, we can deliver to your home. You want a single chair, we can do that. You want an entire set, a container load, 40 feet, 20 feet, we have already done it. And on our website, you can see thousands of testimonial pictures. These are real pictures that are from the client's home when they received the stuff, unpacked it, placed it, took pictures, sent it back to us, and the love and blessings we get when the items are finally at home. They look so mesmerizing, so beautiful. Whoever comes to home, they are sometimes stumped. Wow, what have you got? Where have you got from? And that's why we are getting so many reference orders as well. Most important points are two. First, teak wood, everything, because this is not resin, this is not fiber, this is teak wood. Second, choice part, most important. Everything as per your choice. One chair handle or you want all chair handle. We do that. Size, design, colors, and most importantly, fabric. Fabric completely changes the look of anything. Completely. So something that you like should be there. And we give you options in your preferred color. So this fabric client has chosen and we have used that. Thousands of options already we have done. You can see our videos, YouTube videos, 1500 plus videos where we have shown so many units in detail, explained colors and everything. So size, design, colors, fabric, everything as per your choice. About the pricing, we are making it, you are receiving it. Factory price, best price directly from Aarsun, no commission agent, no trader. No extra money going in the middle. You're getting the best price from Aarsun every time you select something and get it delivered to your home. Any queries you have, any questions you have, you want to do a video call to see our factory, you want any detail, you want to check any material, we are open and you can call us anytime. Let us know. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement and make what you like. The most important part, at factory price. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. धन्यवाद.